So hey there guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be featuring top 6 Android apps of June 2021. But before we start, I just wanted to let you guys know that all the apps which I'll be showing in this video are personally used by me and I'm only suggesting them to you guys because they are the best. So let's begin. So our first app for today's episode is Ultra Volume. So Ultra Volume personalizes your device UI with custom volume control panel. So basically, after opening it, just enable few of the settings like accessibility and more, which it will pop up. So after that, just go to screens and select the one which you like. There are many more to choose from like Android 10, MIUI, Oxygen, EMUI, Paranoid, etc. So I personally like Paranoid one, so I will enable it and just tap on start button and you're good to go. As you can see, we get to see lot of different types of options below this volume plugins. We get to see setting option which redirect us to our sound settings. Then after that we get to see the sound options which gives us control over Bluetooth and other modes of sound. We can even change a lot of settings with the app volume panel alignment, its position, slider height, expandation, gradients, waves and lot of other things. After so this one more theme, which one is good, it like status bar, just animal volume you can reduce and increase it from here. After pulling it down you get to see other types also, just push it up and it will go away. There is also a paid version for this app which will give you more control over it, like unlocking this One UI and iOS styles. So our second app for today's episode is Prism. So Prism is a very simple wallpaper app which brings very cool, minimal and unique wallpapers and their setup straight to your Android device. As we can see, the wallpaper app UI is very unique. Unlike other apps, we get to see categories, personal favorite wallpapers, another type of categories section in the top right corner, and notifications as well. So there is very interesting feature about this app that when you open a wallpaper and tap single time on it, the wallpaper changes color, but the colors are changed in accordance with wallpaper UI. So basically it's made to make wallpapers more cool. We also get to see what accents are used in the wallpaper, the wallpaper developer name, download option, setting wallpaper, adding into favorite category, sharing, and we also get to see edit option. So what basically it does is it gives us option to edit the wallpaper. Like we get to see different types of filters to apply to it. Like you can see right now, it's I'm applying grayscale, red one, and many other options there. Just save them and it will process your wallpaper. After processing, you can set them for your wallpaper. So this app also have a paid version which is pretty good and it's not that much costly. It only costs you $3 to $4 for permanent subscription. So make sure to check it out and give it a try. So our third app for today's episode is Privacy Dashboard. Recently, Google announced its Android 12 UI and lot of major features which are incoming with it. One of them is showing the working apps notification features in the top right corner of your phone. Like suppose if you are using camera, it will be shown. It will show camera option in your right side of the phone. So this app basically allows you to use that feature in all the any Android version which you are using. So just open it, allow it some settings and you're good to go. Like I have enabled camera settings right now. So if I open my camera, it will pop this small right camera option in the right side. Suppose if I am using GPS, it will show GPS toggle there. Now if I start to record any app is using mic for recording, it will show my mic option in the right side of this. So basically this app shows you which apps are using which permissions for your phone. It's pretty good and I found it very helpful for me. So make sure to check it out and I hope you guys like it. So another cool feature Google introduced in Android 12 is widget clocks. These clocks look pretty well and changes their color according to our wallpaper. So that's where our third app for today's episode comes in. Android 12 clock is the app which gives us Android 12 clocks in any Android version below Android 12. So basically just open the app, select the widget, add it automatically and it will show it on your home screen. So after setting that up, make sure to resize it according to your choices. It also have an paid version to unlock different kind of themes like the ones which we can see below here. There are many more other types of clocks which are present in it like this one, which will also slightly changes the color of it according to your wallpaper. This app is pretty good and it's stable as well and it don't need any type of third party custom settings to be applied, like we don't need to use any type of KWGT or KLWP for applying it. So make sure to check it out and use. So yeah, the fourth app for today's episode is Nova Launcher. I know it's pretty common and known to everyone, but what makes it this one exceptional is that this one is beta one, which Nova Launcher devs are providing to users in their Discord channel, whose link I'll be giving in description. So there are a lot of many changes which devs made in this one. So as like if you tap launcher for some more time, you get to see this new settings look. You get to see these widgets below the settings and wallpapers options, which was not there before. In the settings we get to see some new features like in this home screen we get to see the search bar placements, which is unique and new. Wallpaper zoom effects, which is recently introduced in Android 11. Then we get to see look and feel options, search options, which is also new. We get to modify the corner radius for the search toggle and many more. They also this launcher type have is been updated continuously within a week or two, so there might be few bugs which are there present in this app, but not the fatal ones. Make sure to check it out. There is also premium version for Nova Launcher which gives you access to some more of the settings, so make sure to try it out and enjoy. There we go, our last app for today's episode. Our last app is Lux Green Icon Pack, which is recently introduced by the dev who made orange line, green line, other and all those line icon packs. So this one is very unique and paid one as well. So just head into the app, apply the settings which it asks for, and head the back to your home screen. You will get to see these cool looking icons applied on your home screen. So the app developer also made some cool wallpapers according to these widgets. Just go into the app, into the wallpaper section, open them and tap on apply. So after tapping on it, it will apply that selected wallpaper on your home screen, and these walls are made according to the icons which are designed by the developer. So as you can see, this icon looks pretty good with the wallpaper which I have currently applied for it. So this app is paid and it usually costs $2, but currently it's on sale. So make sure to head down to the link which I will give in the description and check it out. There are also two more versions of this which the developer recently introduced. It's Lux Blue and Lux Red. They also have same type of UI and the wallpaper section as well. So make sure to check it out and try it. So thanks for watching this video guys. I hope you like this app which I have shown in this video. Keep sharing and supporting.